I am CA Muppal Subbarao, past chairman of Guntur branch of SIRC, and I am the vice chairman of SIRC.
I, CA Chinta Raghunandan, chairman of Guntur branch of SIRC of ICAI.
I am Ganpati, chartered accountant.
I am Srinivasarao Kottamasu.
Myself Bhargavi Mangala.
I am CA T3 Reddy. CA Madhirateja. I am Erra Iswara.
I am KV Pramod, chartered accountant.
I am CA KV Subbarao.
I Chiruga Shokumar.
Hi, this is Jonalgada Srinivasarao.
I CA Kannagandi Murichinjayarao.
నా పేరు భరద్వాజ్ రుద్రవరపు. నేను గుంటూరు బ్రాంచ్ వైస్ చైర్మన్ ని.
This is Badi Sheikh.
I CA VV Naresh. I Rajshekhar Nagavairu.
This is Sampath, MC member of Guntur branch of ICAI.
Everyone who attended the conference and make it success.
Thanks for all for making the national conference a grand success.
We have all made this event a grand success. Thank you all for joining for this national conference. Thank you everyone.
Thanks for the coming and making the event a very grand success.
Thank you for joining the national conference and making it a grand success. Thanks for your participation for making this event a grand success.
Thank you for participating in the national conference and making the program a grand success. Thank you all.
National conference ki it is a pride of Guntur chartered accountants. In the first time Guntur lo alati కార్యక్రమం జరగడం.
I thank all of you by making this conference a grand success.
Thank you everyone for attending and making the conference a grand success.
I thank everyone for attending this conference and making it successful.
I thank all the members and committee members.
Thanks for coming to the national conference.
And thanks for joining the national conference at Guntur.
అందరూ తరలి వచ్చి ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఘనవిజయం
Thank you so much.
Thank everyone for coming and making this conference event as grand success.
I thank everyone for attending this national conference and making it a huge success. Thank you.
I thank every member to make this event grand successful and making this event as a successful event.
Thank you for making this national conference a grand success. I thank each and everyone who are backbone of this event and making this event a grand success. I request all the CA members and students to follow, like and share our Guntur ICAI pages on Facebook and Instagram to get updates regularly.